Thank you very much for inviting me.
Welcome, Masumi and David.
Hello.
Hello, I'm going to cook spice food today. Spice makes meals so flavorful and then good for your health. Today I'm going to cook what I like.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you very much for
Yeah,
coming.
we try it.
Thank you. So let's do it.
What are they? Chickpeas.
Yes.
Boiled?
No, just soaked in water
Mhm.
for 6 hours.
Oh, I
Oh, wow.
see.
Yeah.
I didn't know that they swell so much.
Oh, really?
It's
About 1.5
the
bigger.
times.
Times
yeah.
bigger.
Right.
Then I bought it first.
So David, do you eat meat? I mean pork or beef? They
I
usually-
don't, but
You don't?
Russian people, yes.
Okay.
For the environment.
That too.
That
yeah,
too.
Yeah. Beef for the environment, yeah, and pork people don't like the taste.
Some salt.
Salt.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Oh, that's short. Because it is soaked long time.
Yes.
Interesting salt.
Yeah. Salt.
Himalaya.
Then this is ghee.
Butter, ghee.
I don't know what the ghee is.
Ghee is 100% pure oil from milk. So you can keep it normal temperature, room temperature.
Oh, really?
Then it's done for kind of many years.
Is it?
So
Is it made from butter?
made from milk.
The upper part of the milk has those fat part. But this is something made directly from that cream part, or
Cream part and then fermented
fermented.
ones like yogurt.
Is that right?
Yes. But
That's
there's
interesting.
many ways to
Make it.
ghee, so I'm not sure
What kind
Yeah.
that is? I see.